Shocking. Ha ha ha. What is up, guys? This is Dr. Frankenmax welcoming you back to Batman Arkham City. In this video, we are about to confront the Penguin. And it looks like it's going to be quite a fight because he has Mr. Freeze's Ice Ray. So this is going to be interesting. Let's go and confront him. We have the Disruptor with the security override chip that we got in the last video. So we should be able to take him down. Hopefully. Here's hoping. Gotta go land on that thing now. There we go. Let's pull ourselves kind of in this direction. Sorta, kinda, sorta. Alright, pull us in this direction. Pull us that direction. Whoa! Sharky! Get down, Sharky! Get away from my rat! Oh wow, I love how he clips through that other platform. That was kind of charming. Charming, flawless game design there. You know, if I was ever a game developer, that kind of stuff is the stuff that I would fix. I would want to have flawless motion, so like when you run into a wall, yeah, like you stop. You just stop right as you hit the wall. Either that or I would add a little mechanic where you see the player character's hand push against the wall and push him the other direction instead of just bouncing off the wall. I would push for better motion design in games, you know, better navigation in video games, because nothing kills a video game faster than walking right over the top of a corpse or clipping through it. Nothing kills a game better. Kills the immersiveness. Hey, don't call me a wanker, that's an Australian thing. I thought you were British. You lied to me. You lied to me. I didn't know you were Australian. Whoa! Okay, hit me. Whoa! Okay.
Watch the back. Tell you what, Batman. I'll give you this one for free.
Huh. Will you now? Boom! Nice work, B-Man.
You're finished, Cobblepot. No, I'm sorry. Please, don't hurt me. I can't guarantee that. Me neither.
That looked just like the Disruptor, that detonator. I wonder why. Weird, it's probably the same model.
I tried to help you, Batman. I gave
Oh yeah,
you
it's the same model.
opportunity to end this and walk away, but oh no. You had to be the big man. Well, guess what? From up here, you look pretty small. Oh, don't look so sad. I've got a little surprise for you down there.
Uh-oh. Big fat boss fight. Here we come. Shocking. Ha ha ha. Well, you look creepy. Is all get out.
Found him down there when I bought this place. Comes in handy.
Uh-oh. This can't be good. Okay, I'm gonna run now. Thanks for playing. Have a good life. Bye! I gotta go, pet my kitten.
What the
Or not. Or I could just blow this thing to crap. Hurry it along. Nice. Oh, we got you. Nice. Here, let me punch you in the face now.
Oh, you're asking for it now. Let's see how much that ugly son of a bitch can take.
Hey, watch your language, penguin. You're such a dirty little man. Yeah, poor guy. Oh, great. Now he's on fire.
Oh, that looked like it hurt, didn't it? Good job, that bug is immortal.
Fudges. Wait for it. There we go.
Enough with the bloody explosives. I made it.
Nice, I got you
Stop
second time.
that.
Nice. I got you again. Let me punch you in the face again. Because you just do not want to give up.
What have you done? You little... You can't kill him. You can't.
Yes, I can. Just watch me. Surprise! Oh, I saw that coming.
You really can't kill that bastard.
Oh, enough, penguin. Just shut up. Again, with the clipping through the floor. Really kills the mood there. Uh-oh. I gotta get out of this grip. Get me out of the grip, 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 get me out of here! Gotta break free! Yes, I broke free. Okay. But now he's gonna keep doing this. Okay, hang on. Whoa.
Those things are antiques. Leave them alone.
I don't want to leave your antiques alone, quite frankly. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Come on already! Fudge it. Nice! Hurry it along. Yes! I finally did it! Oh, now he's trapped in there. He's gonna bring the whole place down on top of us. If he does anything now. Alright. That's enough. Hey, let's break off his rib cage.
Oi! Just you and me left. The bat versus the bird.
Oh, fun! That sounds like a joyous occasion. Here, let me just run back and forth half-heartedly as I try to get close to you. That was the simplest boss fight ever. You put up less of a fight than your big thug. That looked painful. I hope it was. Again, as the hand clips through the face.
Where is Cobblepot?
Well, look who it is. Mr.
Enough. Freeze. Enough. Of course.
You will regret what you did, Mr. Cobblepot.
The cure, Freeze. There isn't one.
This throws him into the
Perhaps I
cage.
should elaborate. Creating an antidote to the disease that afflicts the clown was easy. Unfortunately, the cure degrades too quickly. It needs a restorative element, some kind of reforming enzyme. Without it, it breaks down before it can help its host.
I've seen this before.
Finding a suitable enzyme is not the only problem. It needs to be adapted, bonded to human DNA. That will take decades. Time, it appears, you do not have.
What if I told you I know a man who's been exposed to that enzyme for centuries?
What man?
His name is Ra's al Ghul.
Bring him to me. All I need is a sample of his blood. It is your only hope.
Ra's al Ghul is dead.
Then you and the clown are doomed.
Not exactly. I need someone to tell me where the body is. Then I can go wake him up.
Indeed.
Blasphemer! You are not worthy to speak of the great Ra's al Ghul.
You are a fool, Batman. You've let your only hope escape.
No, Victor. If Ra's al Ghul is in Arkham City, I now have a trail right to him.
Nice. Fantastic. Nice, we have a trail. Fantastic. Woohoo.
Oracle, change of plan. I'm going after the League of Assassins.
Why? What have they got to do with all this? Oh, wait a minute. Is this about Ra's or his daughter?
Penguin had one of the League's assassins imprisoned in the museum. I recognize the insignia. She's a member of Talia's elite guard.
I knew it. What is it about that woman that makes her instantly the most important person in your world?
Talia is not the goal, Barbara. I've uploaded Freeze's unfinished cure. It looks to me like the answer is...
Found in Ra's al Ghul's blood. Okay, Bruce, I guess you need to go after him. But please stay focused. Don't let her get in the way again.
Alright. Here's another thing we have to do. Oh, wait, it's not upgraded to a point where it can do that thing yet. Hang on. Wayne Tech. I need to be able to use the disruptor to jam firearms, which means I need to collect a little bit more XP. Unfortunately, I don't have enough yet. But I should be able to get enough if I go out and do something. Or even if I were just to collect, let's see, let's check to see what stuff I've collected in the museum. What have I done? How do you protect the Brothers in Arms, Brothers in War? Who's right, who's left? Can anyone top the Penguin when it comes to the full VIP treatment? Hang on. I know exactly where to find one of those riddles. The other one, not so sure. Actually, wait, I'm sure on both of them. Never mind, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot! One of them just so happens to be... Brothers in Arms, Brothers at War. Who's right and who's left? Okay, so that riddle is somewhere in this room. The only question is where. There's also a couple of Riddler trophies that I neglected to collect. There's one right over there, which I can't get to. There's also one in here. And then there's a riddle that we need to solve. Wait, was that enough XP? Nice! We can level up and get the firearm.
So you actually completed enough of my challenges. Was it hard? I hope so. Because it is time for a reward. And what's more rewarding than a riddle? Riddle me this. The more there is, the
Darkness.
less you... Amazing.
The more there is, the less you see. What could I
solved my
be?
riddle.
Darkness.
I suppose the reward is to... I'm running a little game of chance that you may be interested in playing. Here's your invitation.
Nice, and we have the coordinates and we know where it is. Let's set that to our current objective because that's what we're going to go get in a second. But we also have to do the firearm jammer, which means we can access a few Riddler trophies that we couldn't before. Namely, ones that were blocked off by Tiger security turrets, which you have probably seen scattered around. And who went to the painstaking effort of setting all those penguins back up? I knocked them all down. Come on, man. It's not cool. Brothers in Arms, Brothers at War. Who's right, who's left? Well, I know exactly what I'm looking for. I just don't know where it is. It's a poster of the two. There they are. Brothers and sisters of war, who's right, who's left. Those are the two guys we saw. Mr. Hammer, the Abramovici twins. Mr. Hammer and Mr. Sickle. They're Russian. And they're also Siamese twins that were separated. They were a freak show in a circus, kind of like Solomon Grundy was, which is that guy that we battled just recently below the Iceberg Lounge. So, factual smactuals. And we are back. Now, you see that turret right there? It's a Tiger sentry turret. Protects access to Tiger-restricted areas. Repurposed by Penguin to protect his valuables. What we need to do is we need to get past it. Fortunately, this disruptor now has the ability to disrupt firearms. So when we walk up to it, it doesn't shoot at nothing. And we can pick up this here trophy. And it eventually just deactivates and stops trying to shoot. So there we have it, folks. That's how you get that riddle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and try to save that person in that Riddler room. Also follow this blood trail for a little bit. It leads out of the museum. We can already assume that. Here we go. We're heading out of the museum. Let's go. Let's finish this. Let's go hunt down the Riddler's next riddle room. Or Riddler room, or whatever the heck you want to call it. Alright. Up. Up. Oh, wait. Never mind. I'm requesting a line launcher drop-off.
I see you have sent a data request on the League of Assassins to the Bat Computer. Oh, and another equipment request. Did you ever consider a bigger build? I did. Too heavy. Slowed me down.
Oh,
Let me know when it's here.
Okay, so here's where we're gonna go. We're gonna head this direction in order to hunt down the next Riddler room.
I hear you. It's chaos here. The boss has vanished. What? Where'd Penguin go?
It's my fault.
No idea.
Too bad for
One
you.
minute he was all, Batman's going in my trophy case. The next, nothing. Zip. I don't like it.
Here we go. Up, up, and away. So, let's see.
Somewhere there's one big-ass hole full of money. Everything else strangers taken from us. Man, I wish I knew where it was.
Don't all you criminals wish you knew where that much money and wealth was. Of course you all do. You're criminals. Goodness, you guys are so freaking predictable. It's actually kind of pathetic. So, here we go. We're about to reach the second Riddler room. If you remember, the first one was down in that bar area. The next one is nearby. Oh, I forgot how to destroy this one. Mother of... I forgot how to do this one. I forgot how to do it. I don't remember how to do that one. Stinking. Okay, there it is, right there, the next Riddler room.
Who'll get left out? Who do you think's gonna win?
There it is.
Who knows, man? It could be any of them. I thought
Let's
Joker
search
was
it.
dying, and look, he's blowing up churches. Yeah, you're right. Let's stay up here until it looks like there's a clear winner. And then go sign up with them.
Criminals, no loyalty at all. To the Riddler room. Let's go stop those heinous watermelons from kidnapping doctors. Oh, hi.
Roll up, roll up. It's time for my latest game.
Fantastic. So glad to see you're well, Riddler. And by that I mean go catch influenza. Get out of my life.
Help me!
This is a regular game
All
show,
you
isn't
need
it?
to do is keep your eyes on the prize. Exciting, isn't it? Take your pick, Batman.
Yeah, okay, I don't trust this for a minute. Yeah, you lowered him under the floor. That's what
Is
I
my machine
thought.
too fast for you, Shall we see if
You
were
used
right?
the right tense of 2. Should have been TOO.
No. How did you do that?
Simple, really.
Batman, over here! Get me out of this thing!
Sure thing, sir. Hey, you're not a doctor, you're a cop. Oh, right, there were cops at the church, too. Never mind.
You're safe now, Officer North.
Thank you. I thought I was going to die back there.
Riddler gave you a code, right?
Yeah, it's 860120. He said something about it helping you.
It will. Stay here.
Okay, just another day in Gotham. Let's see, so it's 860120. 7860-120. Close enough. There it is.
Is someone trying to locate a hostage before they found enough of my secrets? I hope not.
Oh, they are. And their name is me.
There's no way you could have solved that one, Batman. Even I couldn't. You must have cheated. Consider this a warning. From here on in, it gets harder.
I know it does. And I'm not looking forward to it. Fortunately, heinous watermelons never win in the end. They only splatter all over the concrete at high velocities. Wait, what were we talking about? Anyway, now that we've taken care of that, it's time to go hunt down that Ra's al Ghul girl. Whatever her name was. Something to do with a hot chick or I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go hunt him down and see exactly what's going on with this whole Ra's al Ghul situation. Man, that name is enough to give you shivers.
Who does a man think he is, having control over the Hugo Strange?
Who knows, mate? I certainly don't, because I hardly even pay attention. Where am I again? Right over here. Fantastic. Now, where's the trail is the real question. Oh, there it is. I see the blood trail. Hang on. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take out these two security cameras.
Camera down in Sector 1.
There we go.
I
And we
got
should
a camera
target
out
security
in Sector
cameras,
1.
which means we completed another Riddler challenge.
You heard from him yet?
Penguin? Nah, he's gone dog.
That's not good. He's never done that. What's the bat doing here?
About to kick you in the butt. Boom. Boom.
This is gonna hurt, freak.
Ha! Here, let me grab you and break your leg, how about? Here, let me grab you and break your arm this time. Oh, whoa!
How much do I need to hurt you?
You don't. I'll talk.
That's never in doubt.
Oh, I just broke his neck on the glass. Ooh, that looked painful. Okay, now we gotta follow the blood trail. It's going this way. Then it goes up. Up we go then. Oh, here it is. There we go. Keep following it. Okay, now
need to be
it's
ready to
down
fight back.
there.
Teach these suckers who's really in charge. What's the deal with these jerks? Don't they know this is Penguin's territory? I guess not.
Well, they will. As soon as we get the order, we take all of them out. I want blood. I want...
Boom!
Batman!
Right in the face. Yee, ouch. Okay, hang on. Where were we? Right, okay. The trail goes this way. Nice to know. Let's keep following this here trail.
Batman's here. Get down here.
Okay, it's over here now, isn't it? Where'd it stop again? Hang on, I lost it. I lost the trail.
This ain't over. No way.
We've lost a camera.
Oh,
in
right,
Sector
it's up
1.
there. There's the trail. Found it. Never mind, I'm only slightly stupid. So the next bit of the trail is right over here.
The blood trail has run out.
Huh.
The only way I'm gonna find that assassin is to locate more evidence.
Well, let's do exactly that. Youch. Oh, somebody just hit me in the face. Oh, it was a trap.
The
Oh,
only way to
hi.
find Raish is to get a tracker on that ninja. I'll need to get in close.
I'm about to catch you.
I've lost her.
Darn it! I failed. That was the first time I failed this entire game. I'd say that that's pretty darn good. Get over here, girly. You're about to taste my fever. Seriously, I actually am sick because of stinking Joker, and I'm probably contagious, so just be warned. That's probably not good for you. Just saying. Get over here, you. Oh, stop running. It's so pathetic. I'm gonna catch you, you know. There's no way that you can avoid me forever. Get over here, you. Stop running. Come on. Do something. There we go. Ha. Beep.
You only continue to live because the great racial ghoul allows it.
Nice.
Off.
I can take her. Stand down.
Do not follow us.
Oh,
I didn't
great.
need your help.
Thanks.
Really? That's not what it looked like from where I was standing.
I had it under control. Why did Alfred send you?
He was worried about you.
Take this. Get it analyzed and start searching the hospitals and emergency rooms. Anyone with this blood in them will be dead within 24 hours.
Whose blood is
Uh-oh.
it? Oh. It's yours, isn't it?
Okay, hang
I'll
on.
get it to the hospitals and come back. You need my help here.
I can handle it. You're needed in Gotham. Things could get worse. Much worse.
You think? If Strange really knows who you are, what happens if he tells everyone? How will you...
Trust me. I'll find a
That
way.
lip sync. And here we get the line launcher. And what a beautiful
need
piece of
me,
machinery it is.
You know where I am.
I know. Now go.
Batman is not a fun guy to work with, I can already tell. Anyway, we're gonna have to go hunt down the great Ra's al Ghul now. In the next video, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this game, and next time we're gonna hunt down Ra's al Ghul and hopefully find a way to get this cure up and running. Click a like. Don't do that, actually. Well, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click a like, because that lets me know that you enjoyed it. And also share it with your friends, because I need more subscribers and more people watching my videos, because I'm very lonely. Anyway, keep being awesome, I'll keep being awesome, and as always, be sure to stay tuned for more awesomeness. Frank and Max, signing off.